All of you are welcome to understand the concept of earthpathic tension lines and geopathic stress. Earthpathic tension lines or geopathic stress is the location inside the earth from where the earth is emanating harmful rays. These harmful rays are negative energies which reach above the surface of the earth at various points including our offices, residences, etc., causing severe harm to our health and well-being. Earthpathic tension points or geopathic stress are the disrupted electromagnetic locations of the earth. Now let us understand this in detail. Our earth is resonating with an electromagnetic frequency of 7.83 Hz, and this comes under the resonating frequency of human brain waves. Over the years, we have made several changes below the surface of the earth for our comfort and living. These changes include formation of sewer lines, installing water pipes, installing electricity wire lines, making tunnels and underground railways, digging off earth to explore minerals and metals. Such kind of man-made or natural geological developments distort and disrupt the natural resonating frequency of the earth, causing stress or tension in a particular geological location of the earth. Physical stay or spending much time in such stress or tension part of the earth causes several hazards to our health, performance and well-being. Now, let us understand how the earthpathic tension lines or geopathic stress affect our health and well-being. Earthpathic tension lines or geopathic stress passes through the level below the earth. The depth of the line varies at different places. If two earthpathic lines pass through you and they intersect at a certain point, they change the resonating frequency of the earth, causing tension or stress at that point. This point also becomes the disease prone zone. If we spend 8 hours at this point of stress, it would cause several diseases such as sleep disorder, depression, stress, anxiety, fear and phobia, infertility and fatigue. We have seen that a person staying in a particular bedroom for longer time complains about several disorders in his or her body. These disorders are due to the earthpathic tension lines or geopathic stress. Earthpathic tension points or geopathic stress is the cause of several accidents on the roads. If two earthpathic lines intersect with each other at a point on the road, the point or location becomes accident-prone area where accidents occur frequently. While driving a car or a bike, the sudden interaction with earthpathic tension points or geopathic stress stops our brain signal for a while and we meet with accidents. If earthpathic tension points or geopathic stress is formed under the plants or trees, they become unproductive and their growth becomes abnormal. The plants and trees are not able to produce flowers and fruits due to earthpathic tension points or geopathic stress. Lightning strikes are more susceptible at earthpathic points or geopathic stress because lightning strikes are totally positively charged and earthpathic points and geopathic stress are negatively charged. The positively charged lightning is more attracted to the negatively charged earthpathic points and the location becomes lightning strike zone. We can detect the location of earthpathic tension points or geopathic stress with the help of natural energy detectors. These natural energy detectors are sufficient enough to locate the exact location of earthpathic tension points or geopathic stress. Now there is a solution to control the problem of geopathic stress or earthpathic tension lines, and this is done by anti-geopathic rods. What happens once we detect the exact location of geopathic stress, we place the anti-geopathic rods at those points. Now these rods emit positive rays which help to suppress the negative radiations of the earth. The anti-geopathic rods are placed on each line so that we may stop the intersections of these tension lines on a particular place in the premises. Kindly consult our experts at Sound Healing for more detail on orthopedic tension lines or geopathic stress. Our expert will help you locate the geopathic stress points or orthopedic tension lines in your house, office, premises, schools, or any building. For more details, please contact us at 9015 200 400. Thank you.